हेलो फ्रेंड्स। अब मैं कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस डिक्टेट करूँगा। पहले आप इनको बुक से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, उसके बाद इस ऑडियो से लिखिए, और जो कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस आप नहीं लिख पाते उनको फिर से बुक से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। गेट रेडी। एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, अपॉइंटमेंट, आर्बिट्रेरी, आर्बिट्रेशन, आर्किटेक्ट, आर्किटेक्चर, आर्किटेक्चरल, assignment, acknowledge, all together, anything, advertise, advertised, advertisement, bankruptcy, capable, characteristic, contentment, certificate, character, commercial, commercially, dangerous, defective, deficient, deficiently, deficiency, demonstrate, demonstration, destruction, discharge, discharged, description, distinguish, distinguished, efficient, efficiently, efficiency, electric, electrical, electricity, emergency, England, enlarge, English, Englishman, enlargement, entertainment, enthusiastic, enthusiasm, establish, established, establishment, executive, executor, expediency, expenditure, expensive, especially, especial, identical, identification, imperfect, imperfection, imperfectionally, incorporated, independent, independently, independence, influential, influential, intelligence, intelligent, intelligently, introduction, investment, irregular, jurisdiction, justification, legislative, legislature, manufacture, manufactured, manufacturer, manuscript, mathematics, maximum, mechanical, mechanically, messenger, minimum, ministry, misfortune, monstrous, negligence, notwithstanding, financial, financially, familiar, familiarity, government, knowledge, organization, organize, organized, objectionable, objective, passenger, peculiar, peculiarity, perform, performance, parliamentary, together, whatever, whenever, proportion, proportioned, project, projected, productive, production, preliminary, practicable, performance, perspective, publisher, questionable, questionably, reform, reformed, remarkable, remarkably, representation, republic, republican, respective, respectively, selfish, selfishness, sensible, sensibly, sensibility, stranger, subscribe, subscribed, subscription, substantial, substantially, suspect, suspected, sympathetic, telegraphic, thankful, unanimous, unanimously, uniform, uniformity, uniformly, universal, universe, valuation, abandonment, amalgamate, amalgamation, arbitrate, arbitrator, attainment, circumstantial, contingency, administratics, cross examination, cross examine, cross examined, denomination, denominational, destructive, destructively, enlarger, enlightenment, executrix, extinguish, extinguished, exigency, familiarization, familiarize, falsification, generalization, henceforward, howsoever, inconsiderate, informer, intelligible, intelligibly, imperturbable, irremovable, irremovably, irrecoverable, irrespective, irrespectively, irresponsible, irresponsibility, magnetic, magnetism, mathematical, mathematically, mathematician, metropolitan, obstruction, obstructive, oneself, organizer, performer, perpendicular, perspective, proficient, proficiency, proficiently, proportionate, proportionately, prospectus, recoverable, reformer, relinquish, relinquished, remonstrate, removable, reproduction, retrospect, retrospection, retrospective, remonstrance, signification, stringency, subjection, subjective, thenceforward, unanimity, universality, unprincipled, whensoever, whereinsoever, wheresoever, whithersoever. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस थे। आप इस ऑडियो से लिखिए, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए।